This is the safety instructions for the metal shop safety test. Just like all the safety tests, you should always wear safety glasses in the shop. No matter what, you should wear safety glasses in the shop. That's my number one rule. I would rather catch you at a workbench without safety glasses on than working with tools. If you're ever grinding, chipping, or doing anything with metal, you should have safety glasses on. It's my number one rule. If you're spot welding, a lot of sparks can be thrown. You should make sure that not only you are wearing safety glasses, but the people around you are wearing safety glasses. We use a tool called a wire wheel. There's little strands of wire connected to this tool. They can break off over time, throwing little bits of wire towards you. Not only should you wear safety glasses, you should also wear a full face shield. This protects wires from getting embedded into your cheeks or also passing around your glasses, getting into your eyes. Always make sure that your loose clothing is not a hazard. Your hair is tied back, hoodie strings are tucked in, sleeves are rolled up, and jewelry are removed. Sandals are not appropriate footwear in the shop. Crocs are not appropriate footwear in the shop. You should always wear closed-toed shoes and shoes that do not expose your heel. In the shop, we use two different types of drills. We use woodworking drill presses that can be seen here. In the shop, we have keyless chucks in our woodworking drill presses. We also use metalworking drill presses. Our metalworking drill presses have keyed chucks. Our keyed chucks use this tool here. It's called a chuck key. It simply goes into the chuck, twist, 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 and it allows us to change the drill bit. We never leave a chuck key in the chuck. It should stay in our hand, and when we're not using it, we remove it. If we left that in and we turned it on, it could go flying, injuring someone. If we are ever heating up metal, we need to make sure that we leave it in a safe spot so someone else isn't going to touch it and burn themselves. In this shop, we leave it here. At the grinding bench. Okay, it's an enclosed area with a heat-resistant top. This way, when we leave it here, no one's gonna bump into it. What we would do is take a piece of chalk, put a big H on the table, and circle our project. This way, it's indicating to people that it's hot and they should not touch it. This is one of the metalworking drill presses. Talked about the chuck key earlier. We can place it into the chuck. We can tighten the bit. There we go. When setting this up, we want to make sure that that bit is only going to drill into our material. Here's a piece of material. We want to make sure that the path the drill bit is going is only going to drill into our material. We don't want it to drill into the table. We don't want it to drill into the vise. We don't want to drill into anything else. This is called the tool path. The tool path should only drill into the material we're drilling. If we took a look at this vise, you can see that people have ignored the tool path in the past and have damaged this vise. We want to make sure that we don't do that. Safety guards. Lots of machines in the shop have safety guards. These are the bench grinders. They have these safety guards. They protect sparks from coming towards you. Even though these machines have safety guards, you still need safety glasses on. If these were broken and not working correctly, we would not want to use this machine. Safety guards must always be in place. They are 100% necessary. If I was making changes to the machine, I would want to make sure it was turned off, but also unplugged. We would never want to just turn off a machine while we're making changes to it. Some machines can spin incredibly fast, even when they're turned off. This bench grinder has stone wheels. The inertia from the spinning can cause this to continue spinning quite fast even after it's done moving. Turn it off, wait here until it comes to a complete stop. Once it's done spinning, then, and only then, can you walk away.